Tuke HSBC Sevens Division mar ariyo madhi timore alap manyayo e kind tarik 14 gi tarik 15 dwe manyien. Thomas Odundo manjara tije ne olero ni timbe 12 dhi tuge tukego mag chuo kod nyiri, kendo komedo wacho ni ma dhi bedo tugo maduong' moloyo tuke duto ma Kenya osebago mag rugby e ndalo mokalo. Harriet Akach ma en jakom mar KRU okwayo joma pod nyalo dwaro chiwo sir moro amora ma di konyo tukegi ni pod ginyalo biro mondo mi gichiw kony machalo kod mano.
This is a prestigious event we are hosting, and the boys and the ladies are preparing quite well. They should have come from a high performance camp in South Africa, and we played matches against Blitzburg and other high quality teams. And the ladies are in an residential camp, and we hope they are traveling to Spain for a high performance camp also. And all this is to make sure that we make you proud come 14 and 15.
Hosting such an event is not being fit. So we need as many partners to come on board, not just those who are here, but we are appealing to more to come and partner with us. Most importantly, I'd like to recognize the support we receive from the government of Kenya through Ministry of Sports and SASDEF, without whom we wouldn't actually be able to even host this event, because one of the requirements by World Rugby was to get that letter of commitment from the government.